Welcome back to the channel for another Bitcoin press review with Eki BTC, bringing you the most significant updates from the Bitcoin world this week. Let's dive into the latest news shaping the crypto landscape. Bitcoin has been trading sideways over the past few weeks, hovering around the $85,000 mark. This consolidation phase could be indicative of market participants awaiting clearer signals before making significant moves. The relatively stable trading volume suggests sustained interest, but the lack of momentum might point to caution among investors. Robert Kiyosaki really took the market by storm with his latest Bitcoin prediction, but we'll get to that later. First things first, a UK-based crypto fund has recently acquired $250 million worth of Bitcoin, signaling strong institutional interest in the asset. This substantial investment underscores the growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class among traditional financial institutions. In Brazil, fintech company Milias is proposing to expand its Bitcoin reserve strategy, aiming to designate Bitcoin as a primary strategic asset in its corporate treasury. This move reflects a broader trend of companies integrating Bitcoin into their financial strategies, potentially setting a precedent for other firms in emerging markets. The actions of both the UK fund and Milias highlight a shift in perception, where Bitcoin is increasingly viewed not just as a speculative asset, but as a strategic reserve. This could pave the way for more widespread corporate adoption. In the United States, President Donald Trump's administration has been actively deregulating the crypto industry. Critics express concerns over potential conflicts of interest, especially with the Trump family's involvement in crypto ventures. While deregulation may foster innovation and growth within the crypto sector, the intertwining of political interests and personal investments raises questions about transparency and the potential for market manipulation. Meanwhile, China is debating how to manage a growing portfolio of cryptocurrencies seized from criminal activities. Discussions are ongoing about establishing clearer regulations and centralized management to ensure transparency. China's approach to handling seized crypto assets could set a global precedent. Establishing a centralized system may enhance transparency, but it also raises concerns about state control over decentralized assets. Financial author Robert Kiyosaki predicts that Bitcoin could reach between $175,000 and $350,000 by 2025, citing economic instability and increasing debt as driving factors. Kiyosaki's bullish forecast reflects a growing sentiment that Bitcoin serves as a hedge against traditional financial system vulnerabilities. However, such predictions should be approached with caution, considering the market's inherent volatility. Macroeconomist Lynn Alden has adjusted her year-end Bitcoin price forecast, citing recent tariff announcements as a factor influencing market liquidity. Alden's revision underscores the impact of macroeconomic policies on crypto markets. Tariffs and trade tensions can indirectly affect investor sentiment and liquidity, influencing Bitcoin's price trajectory. In a nutshell, the market is experiencing unprecedented stories, with institutional investments and regulatory changes playing pivotal roles. As Bitcoin continues to integrate into mainstream finance, staying informed is more crucial than ever. That's all for today's Bitcoin press review. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe for more updates with Eki BTC.